Hi everyone, my name is Manahal Rizwan and this is my Tableau project for the Financial Policies and Strategies class. So for this specific project, I chose to do the Superstore data source. This data source contains information about products, sales, profits of a company in order to analyze how well the company is performing. So I have broken them down into 3 different sheets, and each sheet shows the sales or the order numbers of either the different regions, the subcategories. So I'll break it down a little bit further. So first we have sales by region. So if we look here, we have the profit by each region listed out in months, and this is also color coded, so we can see that the furniture is blue, office supplies is orange, and technology is red. So if we use the filters here on the right, we can play around. We can look at the sum of sales in the central region. So we can see that technology had a high peak in the months of September, October, November. This could be due to several different factors. We don't know. And then in the east, it was a little bit similar towards like October, November, December. However, if we look at the south, we can see that towards the beginning, technology had a lot of sales in the month of March. And then if we look at the west, it's a little bit, a little bit similar to that. So we can look at if we wanted to add together 2 of the regions, we can put them together. If we wanted to look at all of them together, the total count, we can also do that. The next sheet, we have sales by state, and as you can see here, this is side by side 2018, 2019, 2020, and 2021, the year of order date. But if we wanted to take a closer look at a specific year, so let's say for example 2018, we have the lighter colors, they are lower sales, and then the darker states like California here are the well-performing, more sales states. So this, you can see, shows the numbers. We can look at the different states, or if we wanted to compare them side by side by 2018, 2019, we can also do that. Lastly, we have the count of orders by subcategory. So the three categories are furniture, office supplies, and technology that are color coded here. But within those categories, we have subcategories such as accessories, appliance, art, table, machines, paper. So if we wanted to take a look at the count of orders by specific subcategory, this is the sheet to look at. So we can use these filters on the right, and it shows the count by segment. So if we wanted to look at the consumer sales, we can look at here. If we wanted to look at corporate, these are the numbers, and then for home office, these are the numbers. And hovering over this shows, the exact number of the count of orders. So for example, for accessories, which is under the technology category, there was 140 count of orders. So there's a lot more that can be done with this. These are the 3 sheets that analyze the sales, the count of orders. Yeah, thank you.